Everyone thinks the best-selling smart toilets are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Warm Water Sprayer Smart Toilet. This smart toilet caught my attention with its unique features and a price of $379.97. If you want comfort and hygiene rolled into one, this is worth a serious look. What makes this toilet stand out is its built-in warm water sprayer and dryer. Imagine never needing to reach for toilet paper again. It's perfect for anyone looking for a cleaner experience. The heated seat ensures comfort during those chilly mornings, and the foot sensor operation adds a nice touch to keep things hands-free. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The warm water feature means no more discomfort and irritation from harsh toilet paper. Plus, the LED display makes it easy to see the temperature settings. The 4.4-star rating from over 800 reviews shows that many users appreciate these features. Now, some people complained about the flushing power being a bit inconsistent. Here's the thing though, for most users, this isn't a deal breaker, especially given the overall comfort and hygiene it provides. This is perfect for you if you value cleanliness and comfort in your bathroom routine. Skip this one if you prefer a toilet without all the fancy tech features. For the price, it offers solid value for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more power and features, the next one on my list might just be what you need. Product number 2, Woodbridge Smart Toilet. Next up is the Woodbridge Smart Toilet, priced at $1,091.99. This one caught my eye due to its impressive 1000 G moppy flush performance. If you need a reliable, powerful toilet, this is definitely worth a serious look. What stands out here is its robust flushing capability, which means you won't have to worry about clogs or waste lingering. Plus, the automatic lid opening and closing feature is just plain convenient, especially for busy mornings. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual flush system allows for water conservation without sacrificing performance, and the adjustable heated seat is a luxury you didn't know you needed. With a 4.7-star rating from 315 reviews, users rave about the comfort and efficiency. Now, some users mention that the installation can be tricky. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the hassle quickly fades away when you experience the convenience and performance. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-performance toilet that won't let you down. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, but for its features, it definitely offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a sleek design. Product number 3, EPLLO Smart Toilet E16. The EPLLO Smart Toilet, priced at $599.96, is next. Its minimalist design and features immediately caught my attention. If you want modern aesthetics combined with functionality, take a closer look at this one. The E16 boasts a tankless design, which means you're getting instant warm water whenever you need it. The automatic flush options ensure that you don't have to touch anything, making your experience even more convenient. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The LED display is intuitive and user-friendly, and the adjustable features let you customize your experience to fit your preferences. With a 4.3-star rating from nearly 400 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate the blend of style and function. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it really enhances the convenience factor. This is perfect for you if you love modern design and tech-friendly features in your bathroom. Skip this one if you're looking for a more traditional toilet experience. For the price, it's a great deal for what you get. Now, if you're interested in even more advanced features, the next toilet will blow you away. Product number 4, EPLLO E16 Max Smart Toilet. Next, we have the EPLLO E16 Max Smart Toilet, priced at $1,199.96. This one's impressive with its 1,000-gram moppy flush score. If you want top-of-the-line performance, this is definitely worth considering. What really sets the E16 Max apart is the innovative foam shield that helps keep the toilet cleaner and prevents splashback. Plus, the moving air dryer provides a comfortable experience and reduces the need for toilet paper. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The automatic lid opening and closing is a game changer for convenience, especially when your hands are full. With a 4.7-star rating from 231 reviews, users are loving the mix of performance and luxury. Now, some users mention that it's a bit on the heavier side. Here's the thing though, the sturdiness adds to its durability, and once it's installed, you'll appreciate the quality. This is perfect for you if you prioritize high performance and innovative features in your bathroom. Skip this one if weight is a concern for installation, but it's definitely worth it considering the features you gain. And now, let's look at the final product that pushes the boundaries of smart toilets. Product number 5, HOROW Artistic Bidet Toilet. Finally, we have the HOROW Artistic Bidet Toilet, priced at $1,299. This one has AIDA height and an impressive MAPI flush score of 1,000 grams. If comfort and accessibility are what you're after, this might be your best option. With its elongated heated seat and multiple cleaning modes, this toilet is all about comfort. Plus, the self-cleaning nozzle ensures optimal hygiene after every use. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual flush options help conserve water while maintaining strong performance, and the sleek design adds elegance to your bathroom. Rated 4.5 stars from 225 reviews, users appreciate the thoughtful design and effective cleaning features. Now, a few users noted that the price is on the higher side. Here's the thing though, considering the features and quality, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone looking for a premium experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a smart toilet that combines luxury and accessibility. Skip this one if you're on a strict budget, but for what you get, it's a solid value. To wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 impressive smart toilets: the warm water sprayer for comfort, the Woodbridge for power, the sleek EPLLO E16, the high-performance U8 Max, and the luxurious HOROW. Each one has its strengths and serves different needs. Depending on what you value most in your bathroom, you can't go wrong with any of these choices.